Introducing the One Thing video series. Why is it that the ugliest stickers are the hardest to remove? Luckily, Melanie knows a relatively mess-free method of removing stubborn stickers from all types of surfaces, and the key is a common household item pretty much everyone owns. Run out of bows? Forgot to buy extra ribbon? Don't fret. It's much easier than you think to craft your own unique gift toppers. Follow along as Melanie teaches you how to personalize your gift and make it look anything but basic. Sprucing up your Christmas tree doesn't need to be expensive or time-consuming. Our favorite holiday tradition? DIYing your own ornaments. Grab your paint brushes and work alongside Melissa as she walks you through a simple painted ornament craft. Take your tablescape to a whole new level this holiday season with some fancy napkin folding. Melanie will show you how to easily master everything from a simple pocket fold to a festive tree so you can add a festive touch to your guests' place settings. When it's time for a toast, pouring the bubbly is easy, but getting the bottle open? Not so much. No one wants sticky floors, shattered glass, or cork-induced injuries. Have no fear, Sammy will break down the easiest way to open a champagne bottle to keep you safe from flying corks. We all have those nearly empty candle jars scattered around our homes. The candles can no longer be lit, but tossing the empty vessel seems like a waste. So what can you do? With this simple trick, Melissa will show you how to easily remove leftover wax and repurpose your jars. These spinning trays aren't just great for taco night, Lazy Susans have quite a few other useful purposes in the home. Sammy's here to help you step up your organization game as she demonstrates a variety of ways to use a Lazy Susan, from organizing makeup to making a tabletop bar cart. If you've ever moved furniture off a rug, you're probably familiar with the unsightly dents that get left behind. Don't fret. There's a simple way to eliminate these tiny carpet craters. Watch Sammy explain exactly how. Trying to figure out how to make that stunning bouquet last longer? Sammy tested a variety of methods, everything from Viagra to vodka, to see which one will keep your blooms at their brightest. You may be surprised to see which concoction works best. Nothing is more frustrating than not being able to pry open your jar of pasta sauce before dinner, or loosening the two tight pickle and pearl onion containers you need to open for game night. No need to call on your family members for help. Watch Melanie show you how to open the toughest jars easily. This spray bottle is known for its magic ability to uncreak and unsqueak anything. But WD-40 has quite a few more cool tricks up its nozzle. Melissa will show you 4 different ways that the spray can found in everyone's cabinets will make your life easier. No-carve pumpkins are more popular than ever before, and Melissa is here to show you 3 ways to embrace the trend. Using just a paintbrush and our Chalky finish paint, you can turn your pumpkins into modern works of art. Gorgeous! Whether you're a fan of a fresh bouquet of flowers or prefer faux blooms, this tutorial is for you. Melissa is here to help you welcome in the new season with this DIY spring wreath tutorial. You'll learn how to clip, arrange, and style your favorite flowers into a trendy hoop wreath. When it comes to keeping your chips fresh, a bag clip or rubber band often fall short. The solution? Fire. Watch as General Manager Melanie Berlite shows you how to seamlessly seal plastic bags with just a ruler and lighter. Want to DIY your own face mask? All you need is a bandana or handkerchief and rubber bands. Watch as General Manager Melanie Berlite shows you how easy it is to make your own in just a few easy steps. Keep a few single-use plastic bottles and upcycle them into gorgeous planters that can help breathe life into your home. Associate Editor Melissa Epifano will show you how to turn something as ordinary as a plastic soap bottle into a chic decor item. Ready to make the fastest pickles on the planet? Jess is. Watch her smash her way to crisp, mouth-puckering glory with a pile of Kirby cucumbers and her trusty cast iron skillet. Find out why this brutality helps the brine penetrate and create crunchy pickles in record speed. What's the best way to cook the perfect jammy egg every single time? People constantly ask this question, and Heather is genuinely psyched to show them how to do it. It's preposterously easy, satisfyingly precise, and the eggs practically leap from their own shells. Grab a couple of handfuls of your favorite fun-sized chocolate bars. We made individual fondues for Butterfinger, Milky Way, and Snickers, some bulk chocolate, a small slow cooker or crockpot, and some heavy cream. That's all Jess needs to transform these fan favorites into a fancy dessert you can pair with anything you'd dip in traditional chocolate fondue. There is nothing to fear but fear itself. Fear, and sometimes also butternut squash. Heather insists that it's pretty easy, though, and proves it by demonstrating a straightforward way to peel, cut and dispatch a big fat butternut squash into neat little hunks without breaking a sweat. You may not know brown sugar milk by name yet, but you've probably seen it pop up in your Instagram feed. The Taiwanese bubble tea has become so popular, foodies have lined up for 2 hours just to get their hands on one. Well, you're in luck because it's incredibly easy to recreate at home, and Patty will show you how. Fact: you don't actually need to measure water when cooking rice. We know a trick that's been used for centuries, including in the childhood homes of food editors Patty and Jess. Add any kind of rice to a pot and prepare to witness perfect, fluffy measurement magic. There are two types of people: those who plan their Halloween costumes months in advance, and those who have no idea what to do when that holiday rolls around. For those in the latter category, we've got you covered. Watch as Sammy Allen transforms basic wardrobe staples into one-of-a-kind costumes using just a hot glue gun and a little ingenuity. What if we told you you're only one kitchen gadget away from making the fluffiest mashed potatoes? This trick is incredibly easy, and your dish will be the talk of every meal and dinner party. Watch as Heather shows you how this mouthwatering classic. If the idea of preparing, cooking, and carving a turkey is daunting to you, you're not alone. But if you're eager to take on this delicious Thanksgiving tradition, Heather will teach you how to master the art of a turkey. It's not nearly as tough as you think. We've all been there. It's the weekend after Thanksgiving and the mountain of leftovers is as daunting as ever, but you cringe at the thought of yet another turkey sandwich. Enter the Thanksgiving dumpling. Watch as Patty teaches you how to make this fun and tasty alternative. What's the first thing you think of when we say the term Hasselback? We bet it's potatoes. But did you know that there's a lot more you can apply the technique to? Watch as Patty shows you how to master this method on a variety of tasty foods. A fried egg over kimchi fried rice is a classic comfort food, as is a bowl of steaming with a half-perfect soft-boiled egg perched on top. The combination of these two ideas inspired these pickled eggs. Jess will show you how to whip up this delicious garnish. Do cocktail shakers make you nervous? In this video, the Spruce Eats general manager Eric Handelsman takes a lesson from Tom Macy, co-owner of Clover Club, and watch as they make a spiced cranberry margarita, and learn about all the tools and tricks that will help you look cool at your next holiday party. In need of a new holiday cookie recipe? Patty shows you how to bake red velvet crinkle cookies that are guaranteed to win any holiday cookie swap. If you want to plan ahead for a busy weeknight, prepare our easy frozen flavor bombs. Heather Ramsdell will walk you through how to combine spices with fat and onions to make concentrated frozen pucks that can be combined with other ingredients for countless dinner possibilities. This vegan cashew yogurt is so easy to make and is so worth the wait. It's only 3 ingredients and there's no straining, squeezing, or weird thickeners. Whether dairy-free, vegan, or just looking to change up your breakfast routine, you'll love this yogurt, and love that you made it from scratch. When braising or making soup, it's normal to remove and discard chicken skin. Next time, save what you pull off so you can make this game-changing snack. The technique Jess uses is super simple and leaves you with a plate of irresistibly crunchy chicken skin chips. What's scarier than ghosts, witches, or werewolves? Making a healthy snack that everyone actually enjoys. While we'll never say no to a few handfuls of candy, between trick-or-treating and Halloween parties, kiddos can quickly hit sugar overload. Watch as Melanie creates several delicious and nutritious spooky snacks, perfect for fueling your hungry horde. Want to make an amazing, shiny, snappy chocolate dessert that is sure to impress your Valentine? Pastry chef Priscilla Scaff-Mariana from Gabriel Cruther teaches Heather the A to Z's of tempering chocolate like a pro. What's better than a regular grilled cheese? A giant grilled cheese. Jess walks us through using a whole loaf of bread, American cheese, cheddar, and mozzarella to create a masterpiece that's good enough to share. Tired of making the same old, floppy pancakes? Eric will walk you through all of his secret tips to making the perfect, fluffy, huge pancakes. From using baking soda and baking powder to letting the batter sit for 10 minutes, these tricks will make you a pancake master in no time. Have you ever been caught in a pinch where you only have a dull knife and no sharpener? Jess shows you a simple technique that she learned the hard way: how to use a mug to sharpen a knife. All you need is a cheap, sturdy mug and you're all set. Unsure of what to make for dinner? Chances are you have everything in your pantry right now to make a delicious pasta. Eric shows us that all you need are onions, garlic, butter, oil and pastry to create something delicious for you and your kids. Love poached eggs but scared to make them at home? In this video, Heather shows you how to poach eggs the right way at home. Get ready to have amazing, drippy poached eggs every weekend. As General Manager and unofficial folder-in-chief, Melanie oversees all content initiatives and business strategies for the Spruce home, pets, and crafts sub-verticals. She has 15 years of experience in creating, managing, and publishing lifestyle content across platforms. You can find her on the set of One Thing, folding napkins, folding sheets, folding hoodies, and very occasionally folding nothing at all. Eric is the general manager and vice president of the Spruce Eats, where he oversees the brand from content and marketing strategy to product and technical development. An avid home cook and lover of all things food related, Eric's goal is to make the very best recipe site on the internet. As One Thing's self-appointed taste tester, you'll usually find him eating all of the things both on and off camera. As editorial director, Allison oversees the team of editors who update, edit and publish content for the Spruce Crafts and the Spruce Pets. A proud dog mom and crazy plant lady, she launched the Spruce to help people discover their own passions, no matter the niche, and make their homes a bit more beautiful. Allison works behind the scenes of One Thing to make sure the team is as eloquent, charming, and funny on camera as they are off. In her role as editorial director of the Spruce Eats, Heather leads our food editors, recipe developers, and writers in creating recipes, photos, and videos that help people cook, learn about, and celebrate food. She is a trained cook and embraces her identity as a food nerd, has a special love of using kitchen tools for things they were not meant to do, debunking myths, and demystifying ingredients. The hoodie is a wardrobe must-have for all. Let Melanie teach you, and CEO, Neil Vogel, the most genius, space-saving method of folding your favorite hoodie so you can lend this garment the respect it surely deserves. Sammy is the lifestyle editor for the Spruce and the Spruce Pets, editing and covering topic areas like pets, gardening, and home renovation. As a seasoned editor and lifestyle writer, she has seen her fair share of home hacks and tricks that don't actually work. You'll find her on One Thing, debunking those oh-so-popular viral videos and sharing her favorite ways to save time and money at home for real. Patty is an editor for the Spruce Eats, where she oversees a team of recipe developers and food writers in creating mouthwatering dishes and helpful cooking guides. She's a pint-sized foodie with a big appetite and often the first to notice a trend or to try the new restaurant everyone's talking about. On the set of One Thing, you'll find Patty making easy delicious recipes and sharing essential cooking tricks, while Instagramming it all. Jess is an editor for the Spruce Eats, where she manages a team of recipe writers. She's a seasoned content strategist with experience in social media management, branded content, and also hosts a weekly series on the Spruce Eats Instagram. Fearless, she once butchered and pit-barbecued wild boar in a Taiwanese jungle. Fun, and eager to help, Jess is looking forward to sharing her favorite recipes and tricks with One Thing viewers. Melissa is the associate lifestyle editor for the Spruce, overseeing home decor, crafts, and celebrations content. Throughout her career, she's covered a number of lifestyle topics from fashion to beauty to travel. She brings her innate sense of style to the one thing set, whether she's wielding a can of chalky finish paint or artfully arranging a collection of coffee table books. Your fingers deserve to stay intact. Spare your digits the indignity of being smashed by a hammer during your next home improvement project with these helpful tricks Sammy has mastered. Condiments are without a doubt awesome for eating. But do they have a secret, secondary purpose? Watch as Melanie tests whether mayo, ketchup, and vinegar can double successfully as cleaning agents. Sure, pumpkins and squash taste great in your favorite fall dishes, but they can be used for more things than just your culinary adventures. For a truly unique tablescape, watch as Melanie reveals the trick to turning gourds into festive fall vases. These one-of-a-kind masterpieces will be the talk of your fall get-together. If you're anything like us, your spare fitted sheets are most likely balled up and shoved in the back of your linen closet. The combination of elastic band and rounded corners makes folding these bedding staples much too difficult. Don't sweat it, Melanie will show you how to perfectly fold a fitted sheet once and for all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.